Hi friends, this is Jason again from the library. I'm here in my shop. I was just doing some work. Got my tool belt on. I got a lot of things in this tool belt. I got one of these. I wonder what that does. I don't know. But I'm cleaning up. I'm not working anymore. I got one of these. You know what that is? We'll talk about it in a minute. I got my war axe. He saves the trees. Put him away. I got one more thing though in my tool belt. What's that? Do you know what that is? That is a screw. And I didn't use it today. I thought I might. But now that I'm done working, I realize I didn't need that screw. Sometimes, when you don't use a certain tool, it might feel bad. But I'm going to save this one. And I'm probably going to use it later. There's a story about that. About a screw not getting used that really wanted to be used in the shop. And that story is called Drew the Screw. It's a book by Matthias Serrato, published by Holiday House out of New York. Let's read this book together. I think we'll enjoy it. It'll be fun. I am Drew the Screw. Oh, he looks friendly. Big eyes. I live here. Oh, wow. Purple car. There's some other things over here on the side. I wonder what those things are. That's Drew right there. I hang out with the tools. Me too. I'm just like Drew. The pencil makes lines. Oh. He's using a ruler to make lines. And look, that's Drew watching the pencil make lines. Do you ever make lines with a ruler? I do. The tape measure measures. Oh, look at that. Drew sees the tape measure getting used. That's nice. The saw cuts. It's a little scary, but it's good to be able to cut things. Sometimes we need to. The hammer, it hits. Oh, the screw. Look at Drew though. Drew's not getting used. He doesn't get to work with the hammer. The clamp holds things. Even the clamp. Look at the clamp. Squeezes the wood. But Drew's just watching. The drill makes holes. Well, that's useful. But what about Drew? Oh, look at all the tools. The tools ask Drew, what can you do? Oh no, look, he's right there. Everybody's looking at him. Do you ever feel like that? Like everybody's asking you what you can do? You can all do something. The boy has come for me. Look, the boy has come for Drew. Do you think he's excited? I bet he is. We go up. What is this? What do you think he's climbing? It's a ladder on a tree. Now I have a job to do. Look closely. It's kind of hard to see. But right there, on top of that sign on the treehouse, is Drew. He found a way to be used. We are all useful, and we all have a purpose. Sometimes it takes a while to find it. I love this story about Drew the Screw. One of my favorite stories to read in the shop. Thank you, friends, for tuning in and reading Drew the Screw by Matthias Serrato with me. Hopefully I'll see you again someday in the library.